How to use your own Wi-Fi router with Starlink. Follow Starlink's instructions to set up the dish and modem, ensuring you have an active internet connection. Install the Starlink app on your phone and open it to manage Starlink settings. In the app, go to Settings and enable Bypass Mode to disable Starlink's router functionality. If your Starlink kit lacks an Ethernet port, purchase and connect the Starlink Ethernet adapter. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the Starlink Ethernet adapter, or the modem, to the WAN port of your router. Access your router's admin page through a web browser, and ensure DHCP is enabled for automatic IP assignment. Reboot both the Starlink modem and your router, then test the internet connection to ensure everything is working.